Hello, right, I've got a new package here today, something I can share with my little one John. He rather likes driving robots and building stuff, don't you, John?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've got something rather interesting here.
What is it going to be?
So I did a bit of eBaying recently, soft spot sometimes for eBaying. I picked up about the most awesome thing I can think of for someone his age and someone maybe my age to monkey around with some very simple robots. Now a lot of the robots I've got are fairly complicated, things like the Lego NXT, the RCX and even the Lego Manners, but they're too complicated really for this little guy. And I've been doing stuff with a robot club again, so I did a robot birthday party and there were some younger children and I thought, well, I would like to include them. So I went and looked around and I found this. I'm sure my little one will have fun with all this bubble wrap later. What have we got here, John?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Look.
In a minute, we'll see.
Can I open this?
Yes, you can. But watch your fingers with the scissors.
Now what we're going to read, Daddy. Yeah.
So, lots of bubble wrap later. Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to open it.
Well, John, the first bit I've opened is this. What does that look like?
A robot.
What kind of thing for a robot? Does that look like a controller?
Yeah. And then we're going to be in my one.
Hold on then, let's have a look in this package here.
Oh.
Wait a minute, we'll come back to that package, we're probably going to need that next. Let's get into this one. Hey, what is this, dude?
I don't know.
Ah, wait a minute.
Wow, I love this.
So look.
Is it the remote? Is that the new remote control?
That's right, it's a remote control. It's a remote control for this. So this is Lego, and I didn't know until I looked for it. This is a Lego Duplo robot, or at least a remote control car. Oh, that's got to go in there somehow. How does that go in? Ah, how weird. It kind of bolts in. Do you want to try? Put that in and turn that round like that. There might even be a little screwdriver for that.
I don't know.
Ah, there we are. Okay, we got our robot. We got here. Oh,
Now how I drive it?
well, I think we need what's in here. So let's have a look. And I'll let you build the next one, little buddy. Ah, look, try the screwdriver, John. How does that work? There we are. So you can unscrew the wheel. And up it comes. And then if you want to put it in, can you put it in and screw it on there? So this system supports 3 different infrared wavelengths. So I've bought 3 of them. That means I can now have 3 teams of little ones making robots and tinkering. And of course, because it's Duplo, I can use it with any of the existing Duplo or Lego and let them decorate it any which way they like.
Daddy, I need your house.
Okay, you got to put the screwdriver in it and turn it. Keep turning it the same way. Yeah, that's it. Oh, is that on, little buddy?
Yeah.
Right, now look. So what have we got? What are these, John? Hold on, John. Oh, how do you get the screwdriver right? Just pull it up. Now look, do you know what these are?
Oh.
These are caterpillar tracks. Maybe you have to, can you open the wheel, take it off for me, unscrew it, and see if you can put a caterpillar track on it. Here's 2 for you. And I'll open up the rest. Right, I think what we'll do is we'll get it all open and get it up and running, get some batteries in them, And then this little guy can decorate them and drive one. Maybe we'll have a little robot battle or a race. Awesome.
Can you help me with this?
Shall I?
Can you help me with this?
Okay, let's put them over where the camera. You've driven under the camera. The camera can't see. Well, wait. Right. So, can you drive your robot into my robot? Shall we have a little robot war? Oh, you're standing in front of the robots. How about you go stand by the door, John? Here, have we got robots? Are these robots? Are you controlling one? Are you driving one? Drive it to me, John. Okay, you haven't quite got the hang of it. Can we make them crash? Hooray! Oh, my pirate's fallen off. Oh. Can you all one catch me?
I can't catch the pirate.
Can you put the pirate back on top of my robot?
No.
No. Oh dear.